damn important. To achieve maximum results, you should have the control in every condition. MAXIQ, something different in the welding market. Simple, reliable, and ready to work. MAXIQ offers all the usability of conventional machine control with the powerfulness and precision of Cheya Inverter. The interface is designed to easily take control. The innovative button, HYBRID SYNERGIC, can drive you to the best range of parameters without preventing the manual settings. It's your welding mate. MAXIQ saves time and energy, even in the smallest daily operations. MAXIQ is made to last, always ready for doing exactly what you need, when you need it most. With the new FSC function, you never miss any ignition. Starting time is reduced 5 times compared to traditional inverter welders. MAXIQ works perfectly in any situation. Doesn't matter if you're working on light, medium or heavy welding application, MAXIQ will follow your decision at its best. Don't accept any compromise. Drive yourself to your next professional goals and don't accept to follow any presetted road. With MAXIQ, you have the control. Cheya, welding together.